Hi, I'm Kai. Welcome to an attic somewhere in Norway. If you were watching our last video, I was soldering this cable. Oh, okay, call it a wire. Today we are going to connect this one to this PCB. As some of you already have experienced, it can be a challenge to connect a wire or a cable to a PCB because sometimes the hole is not big enough. And the other thing is that we do not want to connect with other things. We want a single connection and nothing more. Today I'm going to show you how I do this, how I connect a wire or a cable to a PCB. It is not that difficult, but of course everything is difficult the first time, so it needs practice. But come with me, I'll show you. Okay, so as you can see here, these tracks. This wire I'm going to solder into a couple of these tracks, and it's not going to affect the other one. So let's see if we can manage that. First, remember from the earlier video where we were preparing the wire. And we do the twist. And we do the twist. So, looking nice. Okay. So, I have now plans to pre-solder this. First we need to clean soldering iron. Okay, so glass is off. I always add a little solder on the soldering iron, and just to make it easier to heat up the wire, and then I add solder to the wire. See, this is how a pre-tinned, pre-solder wire should look like. Okay, and then the PCB. It is a little long, isn't it? So we shorten it a little, like that. Looks nice. Okay, and we do the same here. We add soldering tin, solder. I always say soldering tin. It is because in Norwegian it is soldering tin. But as I understand, the English word for it is solder. So I add solder like that. that look okay, doesn't it? And I have no plan to add more solder, but I will add a little to the soldering iron, just to make sure it is easier to heat up the area. So, shall I take that one first maybe? So, I put the wire on top and I heat it all with my solder iron, like that. It's a little warm. And the next one. Like that. As you see, strong, durable connection, and it does not affect the other tracks. Do you see that? This is the way you can solder a wire to a PCB or anything else. Did that look difficult? Clean and durable soldering. This is the way you can do it. As you see, I don't use much time. It is a strong and durable connection. And it looked nice. Okay, this one was a short one, but I hope you still learned something, and I hope you enjoy what you see. And you know the drill. These buttons, like, subscribe, and this bell, so you get a signal for every time we post. So until next time, bye!